To show or hide air command icon while you are using your S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the air command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the air command menu. And then tap setting icon. Next, tap air command. By default, the show air command icon is enabled. That's why your phone will display a floating icon that you can drag anywhere on the screen. And you can use to quickly access some apps or S Pen feature while using your S Pen. However, if needed, you can disable the air command icon option to hide the air command icon. To do so, tap the blue on off switch next to show air command icon to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is on, and your phone will hide the air command icon after you close the air command menu. While the show air command icon option is disabled, you can access the air command menu by removing your S Pen, or if the option to open air command with pen button is enabled, you can also access the air command menu by hovering your S Pen over the screen and press the S Pen button on its side like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.